In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Outbrain Account. Let's start by signing in to your Outbrain dashboard with an admin-level profile. To add users, your profile needs the Manage Users permission. If you don't see the option to manage users once you're logged in, that usually means your role doesn't include it yet. In that case, ask someone who already has this permission to update your access, or reach out to Outbrain support so they can help align your role with what you need. Once you're in, head to the main menu, typically on the left side of the screen. Open the Admin section and select User Management. This is your central hub for adding people, adjusting their access, and keeping your account secure. To invite someone new, click the button labeled Add New User. You'll be prompted to enter the person's email address. If you're bringing in multiple teammates at once, you can paste several email addresses and separate them with commas. It's worth taking a moment to double-check spelling and make sure you're using the correct business email for each person, since the invitation is sent directly to that address. Next, choose the access level. If the person needs to work across all accounts under your organization, common for agency partners or central managers, select Agency-Level Access. If they should only touch a specific account or a subset, choose Account Access and then pick the relevant account or accounts. Think about the scope of their responsibilities. Agency level is broad and powerful. Account level keeps things neatly contained. Now set the permissions. Decide what each user can do based on their role. You can allow them to edit ads and campaigns if they'll be building or optimizing creative and targeting. Turn on budget management only for people who should adjust spend and pacing. Reserve the Manage Users permission for trusted admins who will maintain account security and structure. You can also define which reporting metrics they're allowed to view, so stakeholders see the insights they need without exposing unnecessary data. A good rule of thumb is to grant the minimum access required for someone to do their job effectively and expand later if needed. When everything looks right, click Save. Outbrain will automatically send an email invitation to each address you entered. The recipients will confirm their access and set their password through that email. Remind your teammates to check their inbox and spam folder, and note that each person needs to complete this step before they can log in and start working. That's it. You've added users to your Outbrain account efficiently and securely.